Welcome back to the channel. Today I have not a vehicle, not a Power Stroke, but it is a diesel. Old Ford tractor. This piece of equipment is what they use down the street at our mother's store to tow the vehicles in, and it currently right now has a bad water pump. Let's show you guys what we're working with here. A little 2-cylinder diesel. I don't know what year it is, but I am definitely gonna find that out. It's old. Motorcraft battery, but yeah, check out the water pump. It was moving pretty good yesterday. There it goes. So, gonna replace these hoses, this belt. I got all my new stuff. Let's see all the goodies we got. Okay, we got some good Texas tea. New oil filter, Mexico. New V-belt, made in Mexico. Got some new hoses. Check that out. Hey, it's made in Japan. Where's this one made? Ah, it's made in Japan. Where does it say the oil's made? Does that say US? Ah, Willowbrook, Illinois. And then lastly, the pumper of the water. There it is, folks. Kind of looks like my old F-150 water pump, sorta. It is quite heavy. Say maybe, I don't know, 15 pounds. So, alright, we're going to start disassembly and show you guys what it is to replace a water pump on this here farm implement. Alright, here we go. Alright, check it out, guys. Got the water pump completely tore off. Wasn't too bad to do. I did have to take the radiator out. Here's that over the front shot. Here it is on the bench, and you can already see how close it is here. See it wobbling? So they gave us a new cover, new gaskets. We're going to put that all attached to the new pump and put it in.